Life is fast-paced. We work, we commute, we juggle family life. Our days are filled with meetings, deadlines, and endless to-do lists. It's easy to see why eating out or ordering in is so tempting. The convenience of having a meal ready in minutes is hard to resist. Restaurants offer convenience and tasty food, often at the expense of nutrition and our wallets. The allure of a quick fix can sometimes overshadow the hidden costs. But there's something truly special about a home-cooked meal. It's not just about the food itself, but the entire experience. The aroma filling the kitchen, the sizzle of ingredients coming together, and the vibrant colors of fresh produce. The anticipation building as the food cooks, the satisfaction of knowing exactly what goes into your meal, and the joy of sharing a meal with loved ones. It's a time to connect, to laugh, and to create memories. It's about more than just sustenance. It's about connection, tradition, and nourishment for the soul. Cooking together can be a way to pass down family recipes and traditions. Cooking at home doesn't have to be a chore. It can be a delightful activity that brings people closer. It can be fun, creative, and a wonderful way to de-stress after a long day. Experimenting with new recipes can be an adventure in itself. There are countless easy recipes and time-saving techniques that make putting together a delicious and healthy meal a breeze. With a little planning, cooking at home can be both efficient and enjoyable. So, ditch the takeout menus and dust off those pots and pans. Embrace the art of cooking and discover the joy it brings. You'll be surprised at how rewarding and enjoyable cooking at home can be. The sense of accomplishment and the delicious results are well worth the effort. One of the biggest advantages of home cooking is control. Control over ingredients, portions, and ultimately, your health. When you cook at home, you have the power to decide exactly what goes into your meals. Restaurant meals often contain hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and excessive sodium. These can contribute to various health issues over time. When you cook at home, you choose what goes into your food. You can select the freshest ingredients and avoid preservatives and additives. You can opt for fresh, whole ingredients, lean proteins and healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. This ensures that your meals are nutrient-dense and balanced. This allows you to create meals tailored to your dietary needs and preferences. Whether you're following a specific diet or just trying to eat healthier, home cooking gives you that flexibility. Cooking at home also allows you to experiment with different cuisines and flavors. You can try new recipes and discover new favorite dishes. This can expand your palate and introduce you to new healthy ingredients. Plus, cooking at home can be a fun and rewarding experience, bringing joy and creativity into your daily routine. Eating out can put a serious dent in your budget. The cost of restaurant meals adds up quickly, especially for families. Cooking at home is a much more affordable option. When you cook at home, you're paying for the ingredients, not the overhead costs of running a restaurant. You can also save money by buying in bulk, using leftovers creatively, and planning your meals in advance. Imagine the satisfaction of enjoying a delicious home-cooked meal, knowing that you saved money in the process. That's a win-win situation. Section 4. Family, food, and memories. Sharing a home-cooked meal is more than just eating together. It's about connecting with loved ones, creating memories, and strengthening bonds. When you cook together, you create a shared experience. Everyone can participate, from choosing recipes to prepping ingredients to setting the table. This fosters teamwork, communication, and a sense of togetherness. Mealtimes also provide an opportunity for conversation and laughter. They offer a chance to slow down, disconnect from technology, and reconnect with each other. These shared moments become cherished memories that last a lifetime. Section 5. A delicious call to action: embrace home cooking. So there you have it. Cooking at home is healthier, more affordable, and a wonderful way to connect with loved ones. It's not just about the food, but the memories you create and the bonds you strengthen. It's time to reclaim the joy of cooking and make it a part of your regular routine. Imagine the satisfaction of creating a meal from scratch, knowing exactly what goes into your food. Start by committing to cooking at home a few nights a week. Plan your meals ahead of time and make a shopping list to ensure you have all the ingredients you need. Choose simple recipes that you can prepare in 30 minutes or less. There are countless resources online with easy-to-follow recipes that require minimal ingredients and effort. Get the whole family involved and make it a fun and interactive experience. Let the kids help with washing vegetables or stirring the pot. It's a great way to teach them valuable life skills. Remember, cooking at home doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With a bit of practice, you'll find it becomes easier and more enjoyable. With a little planning and effort, you can create delicious and nutritious meals that your family will love. Home-cooked meals are often more balanced and tailored to your family's tastes and dietary needs. So, put on your apron, fire up the stove, and experience the many benefits of home cooking. Enjoy the process, savor the flavors, and cherish the moments spent together around the dinner table.